I got one question to ask you. When was the last time you heard mop, wop, top, lop, yap? I'm telling you, probably definitely recently. So in Haitian Creole, when you want to learn the language, we are full of patterns. That's all it really is. So when you hear someone say mop, it's just short for Mwen ap. So some ways that you'll hear mop is map travail, map manger, map coucher, map dormir, map tende, map coûter. Mop is talking about whatever that person is doing right now. When you hear someone say nap, they're just shortening nuap, we are. When you hear someone say yap, they're just shortening yoap, they are. So real quickly, let's just talk about what a contraction is. A contraction is when you go from I am to am. So when we're breaking down the pattern, you want to add the pronoun in ap. But what ap is telling us is that it's happening right now. Ap means it's happening right now. Map parler avec, I'm talking to you right now. Wap tandem, you're listening to me. Map and wap, right? So ap means it's happening right now. Lap gadem, he or she is looking at me. So let's go ahead and continue on the lesson. So if you notice the pattern, everything stays the same with the map, but the last thing at the end, what's happening? Map. We know that it's you and it's happening right now, but what? What is happening at the end? You see the pattern? So WAP is shortened for UWAP. When I'm talking about you and what you're doing right now, I would say WAP. So WAP tande, you're listening. You're probably at home. Again with the same pattern, LIAP. LIAP means lap. Lap gadem, she or he is looking at me. Lap tandem, he or she is listening to me. Lap condi, he or she is driving. Lap manger, he or she is eating. So the pronoun and what's happening right now is first, and then the verb is at the end. Lap. So the goal isn't to memorize everything, but it's to catch what you can and understand and recognize the patterns. So I know you guys got this. And if you don't, I am offering one-on-one tutoring. Go ahead and hit my line. Go ahead and hit my line, guys. Don't miss out on the next class. I got your PDF already linked down below. Pay attention to your flashcards, and I will see you on the next one.